Good morning, baby. Good morning, little Jack. Good afternoon, Jack. Oy! Hilak man! What's the matter, you? Everything okay? Galit. Oh, sorry. Walang ngipin. Naman na nagwawad, oh. Iwan ko bakit ito siya nagwawad. Maipakita ko sa inyo na video, ha. Okay? It's normal. Mas grabe pa nga yung sa kanya, no? Sa akin, dito lang yung nakita. Mag-comment kayo na, Eugene, ako nahiya sa iyo, AJ. Sama na, may magnag-porn-porn ko diya, magnag-hubo-hubo ko diya. Without nothing. O, kay mo ay. It's a baby and mommy moment. Kung gusto ko ipakita, gusto ko. Walay magbuot. Kaya it's a natural thing. Hindi yan siya bastos. And if you think, ay, hala, nasuko man eh. Nasuko man akong baby man. Nasuko man eh. At sa tingin nyo, bastos yun. Natula akong respeto sa akong sarili. Sa inyo man yun, oy, kung ganyan kayo, di ganyan kayo, wag nyo akong igaya. Hiya kayo, sila pa daw nahiya to sa akin daw kuno. Kay mo. Sa Pilipinas dati, no, maliit pa ako kung saan-saan lang yung aming mga neighbor, mga auntie, sa jeep, in public places, normal. Kay, ginawa yan, Panginoon, hindi kailangan ipagkahiya. Kayo, hiya-hiya, pero kung makadress kayo, ganyan, cleavage, o gamay rin nakatabunan sa nipple. OA kay sila lang, no? OA! Pakitaan nun, tamog nipple karon, basin mo karon sa akin. Ing na rin, Jack! No? OA kay maka-comment, parang mga feeling perfect, oy. Kung ganyan kayo, di ganyan kayo. Eugene, ako yung nahiya para sa iyo. Tapos meron pang isa, ako nga, kung pupunta daw siya ng mall, dapat cover daw. O di, kayo na yan. Kayo na yung perfect, kayo na yung mahiyain. Kaya ako is normal thing. It's normal thing of mother. And meron akong isang channel, breastfeeding yung aking content doon. Walay nag-OA doon, walang OA. Di ba lang? Ang iba nga, binalandrada, mga nilang tutoy. I cannot please everyone, okay? To those who are not mga OA, sila yung mga understanding mother, pero yung iba dyan makakomment mga murad yung nag-gold star ko diha, oy, ngawa man. Mas ulaw yun yung uban mga giti ipakita. Akin, ganyan lang akin, ganyan, kaya nagdidi si Jack. Ano mang bastos dyan? Ano mang walang respect sa sarili dyan? Kung ganyan yung utak ninyo, huy, you need go find something magpa-check up kayo, kay baka kayo yung sabi-sabi na naman sila sa akin, meron yun siyang saltik sa utak, ay guro pa naman, walang respeto sa sarili. Kayo yung walang respeto sa sarili ninyo, kay para sa video lang na ganyan, daghan kay yaw-yaw. Yun para silang inano talaga lang, no? Wala na tayong tamang magawa talaga. I don't care. Sorry na. Kala niya, galit ako na. Sorry lang. Sa Facebook, gani nga ganito ko yung nakikita. 4 million views. Kita niyo yon? Kita na yon si Jack, nagdede doon. Ang mga OA lang doon is yung mga puti, yung mga hindi natin kalahi kasi hindi kasi normal sa kanila yung breastfeed. Pero mga Pinay, mag-uwi-uwi, hoy! Murag ahagi ka na, Pilipino, raman tayong lahat, oy. Normal sa atin, magpa-breastfeed kay mahal mag-formula, pero nowadays, marami na magpo-formula. Pero it's a normal thing. Kung wala tayong mga tutoy, wala tayong mga ganito, mabuhi kaya yung ating mga anak. At bakit ko ipagkahiya yun? Hindi ko ipagkahiya, oy. It's breastfeeding is normal and kuan. It's a precious moment between the mother and the child. Oh, may breastfeeding education, inspirational. It can help you lose the body weight. Basin mo karon. Di ba kaya suko si Wayne, ang aking asawa, kayo na inoon magsirmon-sirmon sa akin. Hoy, simba ko ninyo eh. Adto mo dadto bananaw mo sa kuan be kung saan kayo maging masaya. Di kay magsige mo pangyaw-yaw din sa ako kay I'm a mother of 3 na already oy. Mura man mo mga kuan. Gusto nila kay kung hindi sila masaya dapat i-please mo sila. Na dapat gawin mo yan. Hoy, hindi naman ako ganyan oy. Dali na dyan. Ay, siya na dito. Galit na ang bata. Ang galit ang bata ni mami. Lang! Okay. Itong dalawa nag-iPad na naman. Mami na ba? Mami, cute man yung baby. Naliwat man ni sa daddy. Ang naman yung kukong. I love you. Cute mong ka. Uy, makawala. Problema. Matawala manig problema ang bibi na. Mami and daddy love you. Yay! Guwapo kay Kado. Wakan liwat ni mami now.
What do you want to say to us?
You go change na please.
Why?
Tingnan yung ako ate ni Kuan ni Jaco para mga kuan walang ilis. Oh. Anak ni sila sa wala ni sila mami kay wala mga ilis. Jack no. Jack is looking at me. He's looking at me.
And he's yelling at JJ. He's yelling at JJ.
Say hi, JJ. King kong.
His hair. Mama, why you said don't watch him again?
Agoy, hangong to ara nagsaka-saka na. Unggoy na ka lang?
Mommy, why you said don't watch him?
Don't watch a tungtung kukering king kay it's kuan. Tora unggoy oh. It's scary. Tungtung kuring king. Tungtung sahur. He is scary.
What he do?
He is in the he's evil.
What evil?
He come in the house and get you kasi tang kang koring kang king. Song kora kang kapret king.
Why monster's not real?
It is real. When you keep watching him, you'll be dreaming of him and you get... Oy, nakita nyo yun yung post sa
But
Facebook?
monster's not real.
It will be like this. Kung. It's not a monster. It's a real one. Kung, kuring, king. Kang, king. What? You don't watch lagi? You be careful of what you're watching in the...
Mommy, stop!
What? Okay.
Stop saying that.
Alright, I will stop.
Because you're scaring me.
It's not scary. Oy,
What's
Jack,
his
magani oh.
name again?
You care, Jack?
Mommy, what's his name?
Hmm?
What's his name?
His name is Kung, karing, kang, king. Jessica, man, asking me what the name.
But I don't know the name.
You don't know the name?
I do actually. It's just a Mommy.
Okay, the chart of JJ and Jennifer. For today's video, only 1 star, the tidy the bed. Yes, tidy the
A
bed.
while ago, I put it on there, but I deleted it now.
The tong?
Yeah.
Hala, did you watch it, di ay?
No, in the game I accidentally put it on.
Oh no, don't watch him, huh? You scary him.
Stop saying that!
Okay, I'm not saying it again. Put na your jacket ka.
Can you say it, please?
Hindi naman pala ganun kalamig, oy. Gusto ko mamili ba ng mga ganito, okay? Ayahay siya. Kunin ko lang ito. Inyong enday. Ah! Malbuang gisid ko, oy. Where's your scooter, lamb?
In the car. That's where the new place is.
Yeah? Naglaba pala ako kanina. Well, my jacket is here. And the jacket in the Elgin.
Mommy,
What did you do?
that's fun. Mommy,
Jack is coming. Gonna look around.
the hair.
Yeah? You looking around, Jack?
Mommy, that's him.
Door, please, anak.
Okay.
I will put this blanket over Jack. It's a bit...
Close the door.
Hi! Nawa, may mong close sa door. Uban-uban ko si Jack para makarelax yung kanilang daddy doon. Anak, Jack! Look around, Jack, oh! Hi, I do it myself. I think my camera's kuba. Nandito na ako. Malapit na ako. Isang taon walang punta-punta dito. Hala, oy, hindi na nila inanuhan, oh. Itanim ko kayo yung aking pichay dito, no? Dito, oh, sa kuan. Kaya hindi nila yan nanuhin. Ikat. Hi, where are you? Oh, ganyan da yun si Wayne at saka si Jack. Pag malaki na si Jack. Dito, oh. Fresh air. Are you cold? Jack! Ini si Jack. Why are you looking, mana? Na?
Looking at that.
Wala na hinlo dito. Ay, kakatakot na. Baklain yung Inday para maging slim si Inday Elgin. Kay tampok murag baboy. Sige lang. It takes a few minutes. It takes time. Pero medyo ano naman na, bumababa na yung aking timbang. Tapos yung aking mukha. Medyo nag-slim down na siya ng kunti. Ilang months pa lang, 1 month. Kay Jenny dati 2 years. It takes me 2 years. Kaya nasa bahay lang, di ba ako? Tapos kasama ko si Jessica. At Jenny. Ngayon kasi, kay Jack, busy ako sa routine. Okay lang kaya yan siya. Hindi naman siya nainitan. Ganun na lang natin. Alam nyo bakit yan hindi? Do you know why this one, that grass is not cut? Para sa mga butterfly. This grass, for the butterflies. I think that's the reason why they didn't cut it.
What?
Wala lagi blackberry ay.
Huh?
Huh?
Where's the blackberry?
There's no blackberry, anak. I don't know why.
But there is.
Oh, grabe ang hangin, nak. Halaka lang, halaka lang.
Mommy?
Yes?
You know when there was a storm in Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, does the trees fall down?
Yeah. Oh, it's flowering.
Ah.
Is Jack okay? He's okay inside.
And the sea?
Yeah, he's looking around.
Oh.
He's wondering what's going on. Let me see. Ayan pa pala, oh, namumulaklak pa lang yung blackberry.
Ow.
Ayan.
Oh, wait, this flowers.
Oh, it's nice flower. The blackberry have. Parking natin si Jack dyan. Kaya baka lumiligid naman. Nandito siya, oh. Ayan pala yung blackberry, oh. Ganyan yung kanyang bulaklak. Tapos ganito pag pungpong-pungpong. Okay. Okay, dahil dyan, hindi kami nagtanong sa iyo bakit mo kami pinapakita sa iyong mga mga trip sa buhay. Is it still hurting? Hurting? Ay! Pistol! Alanak! Yung scared? I don't know. I was scared, anak! Hadlok pa nilang plug lang. Lupad-lupad ang aking palda, uy. Wait sa anak, mag-ingkod si mami diha be. Merong trolley dito ay sa asda yan. Bakit kaya yan dito napunta? Yung iba bitaw no, wala gyud pakialam ay. Mga bata ata yan. I think the teenagers stole it.
Did they go to the police? They're just
No.
there.
They didn't. Why?
Because they did.
Careful. Say sorry.
I did.
She said sorry, anak.
They just did.
Look at yung bata.
Wait, did they change the flowers in that as well?
Yeah.
They just died there. The kingdom?
Huh? That's Wales flag.
But what was that before? United?
Yeah, the United Kingdom one. Ayan yung flag ng Wales, oh. Dragon. Weird kayo. Bakit sa lahat ng flag, dragon?
The red dragon fighted white dragon.
Really? Is that why it's red?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hmm?
We made a story about the dragon. in
You're
year
always
one.
listening your lessons, right? Because you always remember what's your teacher teaching you. I don't. When I was in your age. All I was interested is just go to school and play.
What, you play in your school?
Yes, I don't listen.
I-
Hala, ladybug nak, oh. There.
Let me touch it.
Sag kagamay, ah. Murag muta, mahadlok.
How much spots does it have? Two.
What?
Mommy touch it.
What to?
Mommy touch it. JJ touch it.
Sparks?
The spots. JJ touch
Spots?
it. Yeah.
Is there the spots, ladybug?
Yeah.
Agoy kaluoy sa bata. Nagtingin-tingin lang, oh.
Mommy touch it. So that means it's 2 years old. Mommy,
Yes.
Yeah, Mommy can touch it.
Is it?
Mom, touch 2 years old. Mom, touch
Who
it.
said?
Mom, touch it.
If there's two spots?
Mommy, touch it. If you count how many spots it has, that means how old they are.
Who said? Really?
Mommy, when we be away, Mommy,
Yes?
when we be away, the hands come out.
Yes. Really? I didn't know that, JJ.
touch it. Mommy,
Yeah?
touch it.
Oh.
Mommy, touch it, the ladybird.
I don't touch it, kaya it will go away.
Because I think I heard my forest school teacher say that.
So, if it's there's two spots, it's 2 years old?
Yeah.
Or 2 years?
2 years old.
So, that ladybug is 2 years? Or no?
I don't know. I think it's
Okay, you
2.
think. Kunin ko si Jakay para makatingin-tingin siya dito. Wait, Jack. I will not sleep. Wait, Jack.
Yeah, you're taking it out.
Do you think it's too cold for him? Wait, Jack. Sit down here, Jack. Na, hindi kaya to ano, makati yung dahon. Ay, dahon na ano. Hey, he's sitting down. Look around, look. Uy, kaluoy, maaniwa pa, manibuot mami. Unsa man ni si mami, oy. Damay-damay man kog laag. He's okay. It's good for him to be out. Who's the daddy of Jack, anak? Who's the daddy of Jack, JJ? Daddy? Oh, ang katotohanan, ibubunyag na ni Inday Elgin kay marami bitang issue ba? Na si Jack daw hindi ka mukha ni Wayne, si Jack iba yung mukha, baka daw hindi si Wayne yung tatay. Dahil di ba umuwi ako ng Pilipinas dati, sinabi nila sa akin. Sinabi nila sa akin na nabuntis daw ako Pilipino, kay bakit daw po galing Pilipinas, diretso daw puno nagburo si mami. May bata diya nag-atang. Yeah? It's okay. Lang, tignan niyo oh, yung kamay ni Jack oh, sobrang puti. He's feeling cold. You're cold?
Talking to you.
Yeah.
Mommy, I was scared of you.
So sabi nila baka daw ibang lalaki. Ang katotohanan, ibang lalaki ang papa ni Jack. Kita nyo naman siguro, oy, kamukhang kamukha siya ng kanyang daddy. Ayan oh, sometimes nga ba yung eyes is super blue. Hawa sa lang. Dili, kay you covering mommy camera.
No, but I want to see.
Is okay. Okay lang yan siya dito. Uy, I hope hindi mangati.
Mommy, the eyes look mad.
Yeah. Where are we going? Okay, we put Jack out again. So, ayun na po ang tanong sa mga sagot ng ating
Can you
mga
make him?
tita.
Can you hold him when he sits? No, my heart, my something. Mommy.
Yes?
Something hit my eye.
What is it?
No, my head. I don't know. My mind.
Yeah, that's why I told you to put socks on. But you're not wearing. There's lots of socks at the One, Tita One. Tita gave you. Ay! Oh, you don't like the air? Ikaluoy sa dagoy.
Mommy. Like he say hi.
Yeah. Come on then. We'll put Jack.
Wait, Mommy, one of the wheels came off
What wheel?
of the trolley.
Oh, it's broke. They break it.
Wait, I saw something moving.
Yeah?
Yeah. A lady, grasshopper.
Okay. I think nag-CR si Jack.
Mommy,
Yeah?
that's a red chowel.
Go there.
Go there.
Ayun na po yung tanong sa lahat ng mga katanungan na ang tatay ni Jack is isa lang, hindi po Pilipino. Makita naman siguro sa mukha, no? Dahil maraming nag-wonder, Pilipino lagi ang tatay o baka iba daw ang pariner. Baka ibang puti daw yung... Ay, nako. Ka-joker naman, ay. Kung ibang puti, hindi. Ay, bakit pa man ako maghanap ng ibang puti na lagay? Ay, nandiyan naman yung aking mister. Tapos, yung story nito is plinano talaga namin si Jack. Hindi lang ito siya basta-basta lang na ginawa namin that night. Ilang nights to ginawa si Jack kung alam niyo sa akin. Ilang nights yan ginawa namin ni Wayne. Si Wayne, sunod lang yan sa aking mga request na, honey, pinag-usapan talaga namin si Jack na, honey, if you want a baby boy, I will give you a baby boy. And this time, lahat ng mga kalendar, inano ko talaga, sinunod. Dalawang bata, sinunod ko lahat ng mga kalendar. Hindi ko ako eksperto, pero yung mga kuan, anong gagawin? Cold man ang hands-on, puti kay siya kamot, ay. Liwat kay ni Wayne. Which is, I'm happy kay liwat siya sa kanyang daddy. Okay, teka lang, i-fix ko muna ito, be. Hoy, don't go far, ha? Mas happy ako na si Jack liwat sa mana sa kanyang daddy at gusto ko din si Jessica. Yes, okay, Jenny. Liwat sa kanyang papa. Kay, hoy, alam niya naman, beauty ni Inday Elgin. Boom panis. Boom tarat-tarat. Kung ako mayroong Pilipino lang yung aking napangasawa, hindi ganito mga muka ng aking mga anak. Uy, ganito lang man yung muka nila dahil sa kanilang tatay na si Wayne. Hindi si tatay, hindi si tatay Wayne. Tatay Wayne, oy. Hala, what ka? That one, dito ko gusto iltanim. Siguro natin pichay, no? Pero baka naman anuhin, uy. Paihian ng iro. Dito ba, madami? Yan, may irong space dyan. Ay, nak, I think we should plant my pichay here. Ayan, dyan ba? Pwede siguro, no? Kaya di man nila yan, di man nila yan putulin. Wala sad siguro ihi ng iro. Ay, ambot lang. I-comment nyo sa akin, suggestion, be. Kay, doon sa bahay, bitaw, walang space, daghan kay pichay, nagturok sa akin. Hala, sabihin ko kaya kay Ate Oni, no? Gusto siya magtanim ng pichay. Kaya mahilig kasi yun siya magtanim-tanim. Ang ganda ng sunlight. Sometimes. And our seaweed. Dakot yan, Inday Elgin. Kainit man, anak. Gusto nila ito, namugis na yung Inday. Tsada ba kay na akong aura, Tignan nyo, ha, yung aking outfit for today. Sayal with shoes. Diba? With jacket. Sexy kay na. Sexy kay na. I take this off so that mommy suntan. Oh no, there's no more light. Nakuha naman, wala namang light mo. You want? Put your jacket down the bottom of the toilet. Ay, toilet? Kasi kain din ninyo, wala pang bra, Ay, siya galit naman sa kayo sa akin. Bakit? Galit naman iba auntie natin dyan kay. Baka magalit naman inday atin iba auntie inday dyan wala pang bra naglabas-labas. Normal yan dito eh. Walay bra-bra diri. Kapoy kay sig pang bra. Uy, niya padidi sa bata na. Tulog ni si Jack. Tulog na ka Jack. Hala, uy, nagtanaw-tanaw ra gid siya ay. Yeah, you almost fell. Nakatulog. Okay.
It's sticking out.
Ipaninglan nila ako sa kanilang
Mommy, I
star.
want all red.
Red? Okay. Gising na. Sila.
But for Thursday. Because on Thursday.
Put it.
Yeah, but I don't have any drink.
No?
I think.
Naningil sila sa kanilang star kaya ginawa daw nila kahapon. Next time palitan ko ito na kunting oras lang sa iPad tapos mag-prepare uniform. What Jenny, what color you like?
Mommy, you know when we finish all of this, will this not be the same one now?
No, we gonna put a new one with new things we do.
But I want pink.
This one more for DJ.
Mommy, I
Did you
said
brush your teeth
pink.
yesterday?
Jenny, can I?
Jenny, pink.
Oh.
Here.
I already had one more.
Pink.
You can take the red off. It's okay, because we don't need it. I know how to. Really?
Why do you like pink? You want pink? You like pink all? All pink?
I don't know. I like red and pink.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes I want to do the stars different
Yeah.
because I don't want them all the same.
Okay, how about today? Are you gonna fold your blanket? I will give you stars. Sometimes si Jessica yung pinapaasikaso ko nito. Binibigyan ko siya ng
Mommy,
task.
I want this one be red.
Oh, red.
Oh, I done that last time. I done all pink and then yellow for the last one.
Okay. Tapos na. Next time, anong suggestion ninyo na ilagay ko
Okay,
dito?
we have the
30 minutes lang iPad, tapos ano pa? Nagipang sipon man mo lang, oy. Okay, I will arrange this one. I-arrange ko lang ito. Si Wayne yung nag-fold nito. Ayan, oh, makalat yung ano.
Mommy, this
Dito.
is quiet.
Hindi mo ta pa man yung inday, ay. Kuan, magkuan ako, magluto ako para sa mga bata. Nakatulog sila do. Kanya, ang tawag nito. Gusto ni Jenny ng tubig. Nasa naman ang mga baso? Luto ako ng rice para sa amin. Dali lang! Maga si Weng, nagkuan si Weng, naglabas ng mga basura kanina. Ano kayang kainin natin, no? Kapoy, kaya mag-unaw-unaw kuan ay. Ano na naman yung ulamin, ano na naman yung lutuin. Kapoy, mag-unaw-una. Ay, magkuan na lang siguro ako, no? Magsabaw. Patatas at sayote. Meron pa ba kaming manok? Madaming laman. Ay, ayan. Itong wings. Sabawan ko ito. Lagyan ko ng sayote. Medyo igisa-gisa ko siya kaya mas masarap man siya igisa sa konti, no? Okay, yan na lang yung ating lutuin para sa ating food. Ito yung ayaw ko. Ayaw ko magbili ng ganito na malaki kay pag ma-defrost na siya, defrost na. Si Wayne kasi namimili ng malaking ganito. Tapulan, di ako naluto. Saan mo na, di mo matanggal. Lang water is here, anak. Ay, alin ko na ito. Bibo ka, ayaw mi naglabas. I think uulan. Maglihog ako habang tulog pa si Jackay. Mamaya pag nagising yun, hindi na ako maglihog-lihog dito. Hindi na ako magagawa ng aking gawain. Binagyo. Grabe yung hangin kanina ba as in. Lahat ng mga tanawa na nga tumba na yung aking mga pear doon. Yung tinanim ko na pear. Ito yung aking apple, tinali ko. Oo, ginawang garage ni Wayne. Alam nyo, ilang taon na to? Magkaedad ko yan, kuan daw siya nagbili nito. Mga 3 years old ako. Di ba? Kung isipin, bitaw na ganyan, parang hindi talaga tama ay na bike. Oh, di ba? Ang bahay namin ginawang garage. At dito, maraming kalat. Kalat kayo, bahala na diha, mag-enjoy rata sa tong kinabuhi.